How to solve in Monica AI. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to solve in Monica AI. So if ever you have a problem like problem with solving something and you don't trust like the chat here at Monica, well, there's a feature here at Monica, or there's a tool here at Monica that gives an AI. It's mostly does is solve things right there. So I'll be just showing you guys so you would understand what I mean. All we need to do is open up our Monica AI. Once we open up our Monica AI, press on the bottom right corner, you will see like a compass thingy right there. Press on that right there. After pressing on that, here you will see an AI solver. Then press on the AI solver right here next to the humanizer. I humanize. There you go, AI solver. Once we click on that, allow tester. There you go. As you can see right now, all we need to do is choose a subject. For example, geometry. You can get that, or maybe math. Or if you want like all subjects, just press on right here. And another thing for you guys, you can choose, for example, oh no, I've chose I pictured I left my what do you call this, my paper at home, and I need to do the homework. So what do I do? So, but good thing I have it on my gallery. So yeah, all you need to do is press on the gallery. And here on the bottom left corner, you will see a gallery right there. All you need to just press on that and choose the image that you want the Monica AI to solve. So yeah, there you go guys, that's how you do it. Now we're just gonna go back. So there you go guys, that's how you do it. I hope you guys like the video. Because you enjoyed. If you have questions or concerns, you can type in the comment below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it guys, and thank you guys.